Nestled in the vibrant King's Cross neighborhood of London, amidst the lively rhythm of the city, lies a cherished haven waiting to be explored, the Standard London. It's not just a hotel. It's a treasure trove of history, luxury, and warm hospitality. So let's embark together on a journey to uncover the enchanting charm of this iconic establishment. Location: tucked within the walls of the historic Camden Town Hall Annex, the Standard London stands as a proud testament to the city's rich heritage and architectural splendor. Its striking brutalist facade tells tales of bygone eras, offering a unique blend of the past and present. Conveniently situated near St. Pancras International and Underground stations, the hotel serves as a perfect gateway to London's iconic landmarks and attractions. Pools. While the Standard London doesn't offer pools, it compensates with its diverse range of accommodations and vibrant ambience, ensuring a delightful stay for all guests. Rooms. From cozy cores to lavish terrace suites boasting outdoor bathtubs overlooking St. Pancras Station, the Standard London presents 266 rooms in 42 distinct styles. Each room is a masterpiece of design, featuring en-suite facilities, flat-screen TVs, Bang & Olufsen speakers, Italian bedding, and thoughtful amenities. Whether you seek a snug retreat or a luxurious escape, there's a room tailored to your every need. Dining. Satisfy your culinary cravings at the Standard London's eclectic dining venues. Double Standard, the hotel's bar and terrace, serves up mouth-watering dishes paired with refreshing beers and classic cocktails. And don't miss out on the indulgent bottomless brunches offered on Sundays. For a more refined dining experience, Isla beckons with its all-day menu, celebrating the best of British cuisine with seasonal delights. Spa. Although the Standard London doesn't feature a spa, guests can unwind in its vibrant communal spaces, including the inviting library lounge and bar, and the cultural hub known as the Sound Studio. Here, you can immerse yourself in live music, engaging talks, and the vibrant art scene of London. Activities. Immerse yourself in the pulse of the city as you explore its vibrant exhibitions, delectable cuisine, charming pubs, and historic landmarks. Whether it's a leisurely stroll through Regent's Park, a visit to the British Library, or a wander through Camden Market, there's something to captivate every soul in this dynamic neighborhood. Price. Experience the luxury of the Standard London starting at just $278 per night, ensuring that your stay is not only unforgettable but also affordable. Review. The Standard London is a hidden gem nestled in the heart of the city. From its stylish accommodations to its vibrant dining venues and cultural offerings, every aspect of the hotel exudes sophistication and charm. Its convenient location allows easy exploration of London's delights, while the attentive staff ensure a pampered stay for every guest. Whether you're here for business or leisure, the Standard London promises an unforgettable experience in the bustling capital. And that concludes our video for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please click on the subscribe button and like this video if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.